Hi, my name's Allan. I'm the owner of Premier Autotune in Gold Coast Southport. I've been running this business for 2 years now. We're a Volkswagen and Audi specialist. We do some other European vehicles, BMW, Mercedes. I initially rang up for some hoists, didn't realise how many different hoists they had. They were immediately transparent with me. Any questions I had for them, they were able to answer very quickly. They weren't trying to sell you anything. They weren't trying to push hoists onto me. You could see my plans for the future, what vehicles I was using, different style of cars, how low the cars are, how high the cars are. They give me a solution of what's going to work best for the workshop and in the future. They know exactly what I was trying to do here, and as you can see, the layout's perfect and it's worked perfectly. We've got 5 different variety of lifts here. We've got asymmetric, symmetric, higher lifts for the higher cars, low profile arms, different widths. But it's just the perfect arrangement that I needed for the space that I've got in the workshop and the cars we're actually working on. Yeah, I'm confident with Genesis equipment and the Bendpak hoist they're supplying me.